We do have some updates to go and talk about and airdrops to claim and more free airdrops for all of you. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. We jump straight into the update. The first thing first is to become a testnet whitelist user. So this could be for an upcoming free airdrop, and it is for Chain as they are releasing their L1. So there is the documents down below. I will leave it here, and I have already utilized it, and I've already applied for it. So you have time until in 2 days it closes. Sign up by December 22nd. This could be an airdrop opportunity and a token given out for the participants. So make sure to sign up, and it is super simple. Also, if you do want some free airdrops, yesterday's video we did talk about how to earn about 5 free airdrops. I see the comments, so make sure to go and watch yesterday's video, or you will find it at the end of the video. And next up, we do have a super welcoming campaign for Wix. If you already have an account, make sure to sign up with another one and go and trade. As we see here, you get a 50% bonus deposit. Deposit $100 and get $50. So you are basically trading for free. Simply deposit, cash them out, and get 50% bonus. The link will be down below. Make sure to go and sign up because they have some very nice campaigns. And there is also a $1,000 giveaway for all of you. So make sure to sign up, and one random UID users or connecting your UIDs from Wix will get the 1000 bonus. The video of yesterday explains it more, so make sure to go and check it. Next up, we have the IOP and Genesis and a badge claim has reopened for a very limited time, so make sure to go and do it as soon as you watch this video. And if you're late and you didn't claim it, need to turn the notification bell on and sign up and subscribe to the channel, because you will miss it otherwise, just like you could miss this one if you're watching it too late. So the link will be down below. This is the airdrop, as you see right here, the genesis.iopn.io. Connect the wallet right here, MetaMask, Backpack, whatever one you have used, and simply go and connect it right here. Click on connect, and then you are good to go. Once you go and do the connection right here as we see it. So super simple. Try it a few times. It is a claiming, so people are trying it, to go through it. So link will be down below. Next up, we have the Tauric airdrop to go and claim. Make sure to go and do it. The registration closes in 2 days, or better, the sign up period closes in 2 days. The link will be down below as we see right here. Click on enter. You will be redirected to this page. Put your VM wallet, whichever wallet you want. Go and put the Phantom, go and put the Backpack, go and put the MetaMask, as we see here, simply connected, and you are good to go and check your airdrop eligibility. As we see here, the wallet has been taken. Next, and if you are eligible, you will be eligible. Otherwise, you will not be eligible, just like myself. Talking about an airdrop that is coming really soon and super easy to go and do it, you will get a 30% bonus gravity points if you go and use my link down below, or if you're ready, make sure to go and participate. As we see here, there's only about 12,000 people getting the points on a weekly basis. I am participating in it. I am trading as a future airdrop. I'm trading on Gravity as well as on Wix, though Wix doesn't have an airdrop, but Gravity does have an airdrop. And as we see here, Gravity is consistently a number 6 every time. It's beating every other one that you want to, like Extended, Sun, Raya, Pacifica, doing absolutely terrible. Pacifica in the past few months, we've seen the decline even in this period. That of course there is, trading is quite bad because of the whole crypto space, but Gravity keeps on delivering $1 billion days, and we see a growth instead of a slowdown even on a terrible time like this. So that's why I do trade on Gravity. And as I said, I really believe this one is going to be a $1 token airdrop. There's 1 billion circulation supply. And I do believe that with these standards right here, they will have a $1 billion day and a $1 billion fully derated value at launch. So make sure to go and participate. Super simple, super easy. A few quick airdrops updates for all of you. I hope you enjoy your weekend. It's Saturday, and tomorrow we'll take another one, even if it is Sunday, because I do want to take the videos for all of you on a daily basis. With that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.